So, hello, my dear friends, relatives, nears and dears, and especially to all who are living in Jamshedpur. I love you, Jamshedpur, and I love you, all my Jamshedpurians. Why I'm stressing this? Because just today I want to share you about this town where we are living, where I am living. Because what Jamshedpur is, in my view, I want to share with all of you. You see, this is our nation, India, and the spot that is Jharkhand. In Jharkhand, a person, Birsa Munda, was referred as God because he has sacrificed his life for a special tribes that are called Adivasi tribes. Now, I want to tell you what Jamshedpur. You know, earlier to I think 110 years in the before 1918, what I want to say is just a small place called Kali Mati Road. Now at present you can see that place is in Sakchi. So previously it was a small village called Kali Mati Road, but surrounded by rich minerals like bauxites, iron ore, and blessed with rivers. So Jamshedji Narshavanji Tata, when he has seen the geographical condition of the situation near this place, and he thought that this is the best place to establish an iron and steel factory. So in the year 1918, a factory was built, that is TISCO, what you call present, Tata Iron Steel Company, TISCO, where tons of steels produces every day. Now, this is the factory which was set up in the year 1918. So hello my dear friends, what you can see is the outlook of the plant, TISCO plant, Tata Iron Steel Company, that stands for TISCO. Here every day tons of irons extracted from its ore. Now you can see just the outlook of our plant. Now this is the main plant. What you can see is the main plant of our Jamshedpur with its blast furnace where iron is extracted. Now what you see is the main gate of TISCO. Likewise, we have many gates surrounded all over the cities from all the corners. It is situated just in the middle of Jamshedpur, heart of Jamshedpur. I think you can recognize this place. If the Jamshedpurians can recognize this place, please comment me in my box that what is this place. In 1919, the then Viceroy of our India, Lord Chelmsford, he visited Jamshedpur in the year 1919, and he is the person who gave this Kali Mati Road as a Jamshedpur. He said that now this place will be known as Jamshedpur in the future, and this name was given in the honor of our Lord, founder of our company, Jamshedji Narshavanji Tata. Now, that place, after 100 years, it was established in such a great manner that Jamshedpur is spread all over more than 225 square kilometers with the population more than 17 to 18 lakhs. Now see how modern Jamshedpur is now. We used to celebrate 3rd March as the birthday of our founder. Every year, 3rd March, the whole Jamshedpur decorates like a bride, like a bridegroom. Every place is decorated with well illuminated lightings. Now, this Jamshedpur, it was spread with almost all population of 18 lakhs. Now see, we have railway station. My dear friends, this is the outside of our railway station, Tatanagar railway station. In front of it, it's a main road where you can see heavy traffic. Now this is a front view of our Tatanagar railway station. Due to Corona, trains are no more running here. Otherwise, every day more than 110 trains used to run, and due to that 24 hours the station site is busy. Now you see, very few autos are there, very few vehicles are there. Otherwise, it was full of autos and full of vehicles, whether it is private or public. See here, no persons are there. In the right side, what building you are seeing, that is our reservation counter, and in the greenery part. And so once again you can see the Tatanagar railway station. It is one of the most important railway station on the line of Bombay and Howrah, where per day more than 100 to 110 trains travels. More than 110 train travels every day on crosses this Jamshedpur station, and this Jamshedpur station is known as Tatanagar railway station. Now I told you this place is blessed with two rivers. One river is Kharkhai. So dear friends, I think you can recognize this place where it is. It is Aditpur Bridge, a road which you are seeing joins from Ghameria to Tatanagar, and this is the river called Kharkhai river, and this is the main source of water supplied by the JISCO to all the Jamshedpurians. It's a railway bridge. You can see the train is going from Jamshedpur to Sini or Chaibas or Chakardarpur. It's a railway bridge. We have two railway bridges there, and you can see the main glance of this Aditpur, because this bridge is called Aditpur Bridge, and you can see from there, you can see the view of Kadma and Sonari. Is Suvarnarekha, and see, this is the picture. What a beautiful picture where two rivers meets at a place, and this place is called Dumani. See how two rivers are meeting. It's a Sangam, and in the middle, just like an island, which we called, proudly we can say that this is our Jamshedpur, situated on the bank of two rivers. One is Suvarnarekha and another one is Kharkhai. The main attraction of our city is Jubilee Park. See the morning how it looks, and see the evening how it looks, just illuminated with the colorful lightnings with the waterfalls. We have Geological Park, we have Nico Park, and especially we have airport also. And see, we have two big stadiums. Out of that, one is this stadium. Dear friends, this is one of the sports complex, what you called Kenin Stadium. It is a stadium. Cannon Stadium. Here every day all events used to held, but due to corona period it looks barren. From the last 6 months no one is taking care of it. Otherwise it used to add a beauty. Now see, this is another sports complex, JRD Tata Sports Complex, where various sports used to held here. We have dam which is called Dimna Dam. You can have the glance of this dam. Dear friends, this is the dam which is situated in the Jamshedpur. One way this dam is just gives life to the people of Jamshedpur, because Moksha Gundam Vishveshwaraya, once he was a water engineer, he has constructed, he has designed, he has architected this dam just in order to give a complete life to the Jamshedpur, because from here water is supplied to all the peoples of Jamshedpur right 24 hours with free of cost. Now this is the dam which is surrounded by a nature's beauty. See how greenery the all side are. Now this is the upstairs. Just I am going to upstairs to show you behind the part of other view of this dam. You see, this is the other side view, and here you can see a lake, a big lake. This is the first man-made artificial lake just to store water, because water is the precious which gives life to all Jamshedpurians. And you see behind the lake a big what you call hills, which is popularly known as Dalma Hills. All the nature means Jamshedpur is surrounded by completely nature, with rivers, with vales, with hills, with nature's beauties, with greeneries. See the glance, how beauty it looks. Just it glorifies the Jamshedpur, because this place is also a tourist place. But during the time of winter you can see thousands of people used to come as a picnic spots and all. See the glance. Although many peoples every day used to come here, they take pictures, photographs for their memories by standing in their rallies. And you see the white building, that is Tisco's guest house, because everything is maintained by the Tisco. See the road, the downside of the road which you are saying, because that road is the entrance from Jamshedpur to this dam. And all over you see the greenery, the hills, the trees, means completely nature's blessing. One way I can say, bloomed by a nature. This lake is called Dimna Lake, where you can see water every time, all the time. Many educational institutes. Jamshedpur is also an educational hub, where you can see a big educations hubs are there, like XLRI, like Netaji University. We have many schools also. So this is one of the important school, Sacred Heart Convent. Likewise, we have many schools all over the Jamshedpur, is surrounded by good infrastructure. Is also blessed with temples. We have Ram Mandir, which is associated with Andhra Bhakta Association. Under the association, the temple runs. We have Bhubaneswar temple. The city is surrounded by a hills called Dalma Pahad, what we call in the local language Dalma Hills, where the important animal is elephant. So elephant is our state animal. Elephants are called as a state animal of Jharkhand because we found many animals in Dalma Pahad. Our Jamshedpur is also rich in culture. Various cultures are there. And recently, the Jamshedpur is decorated with a beautiful mall, what you call PM Mall. You see the outside glance and also you see the inside picture also of PM Mall. Dear friends, proudly I can say that this is one of the prestigious mall of our Jamshedpur called PM Mall. I'm just taking the outlook of this. It is on the way from Jamshedpur to Aditpur because this mall is situated just 4 kilometers away from the railway station. It's very near to it. Now you see the outside how the architect, the building has designed, has given this shape. After a great struggle, this building was constructed. Now, due to Corona, most of the shops were closed. Recently, yesterday only, our government, state government has declared to open the mall. So I came today. I think whether they can allow us inside or not, yes, I think few persons are standing in a queue to go inside. So let me also try. If I get, I can show you the inside view of the PM Mall. I think not very persons were there, so I can stand, I can wait for my turn. See, I came inside, see the roof of, because in the night you can see it looks like a stars, planets, everything is well picturized. Now this is how beautifully, how neatly it was architect the PM Mall. I think I am in the in the level of ground because below this in the ground floor there are two more stores were there. So above three, I am going up with the escalator. Just I am going in one of the floor because totally it was constructed a five floor, 2 floors were underground and 3 floors were above the ground. Now you see all branded shops were there. Due to Corona period, not much crowd we can see. Otherwise, in every shops, few customers we can see. See, this is the rooftop. I am in the 5th floor, and from there I am just taking the ground floor view. This is what our PM Mall. Now, overall, I love Jamshedpur. Why? The spelling of Jamshedpur is Jamshedpur. So let me elaborate this J. It's a jubilant place with a Jubilee Park. A for art. We have immense art in this place. Means it is rich in architect also. M for we can see monument. CDRMM stands for monument. Here this monument you can see inside the campus of XLRI because this road is on the way from Bistupur to Jubilee Park and the campus which you are seeing surrounded by is an XLRI and Rusi Modi Excellence. This is the infrastructure of that building. It's an educational institute, one of the prestigious institute in entire India. Structure, we have stadium that stands for S. H, you see the hills, they are called Dalma Hills. See dear friends, this is the way just going to the hills which we call Dalma Pahad, Dalma Hills. See the hills. From all sides you can see the hills view. One way I can say that our Jamshedpur is in the lap of nature. Nature plays a very vital role surrounding from all the sides with greeneries. See the hills.
This is near the way to Dimna.
What a beautiful
Showing you
scenery it is. And it is also a tourist place, and that is why our Jamshedpur is also known as Green City. E. I told you that it's many educational institutes like NIT, XLRI, NSU, they are all the educational hubs. D. I told you Dimna Dam. It refers because all these things what I am giving you, everything you can see a glance in our Jamshedpur. P. Power plant. Why not? When the Jamshedpur is blessed with two flowing rivers, so power plant is must then. U. It's a place you can see the unity of various organizations. We have all caste, creeds, languages, culture, pujas. All these are the unity where you can find in our place. At last, R, river. Basically, all civilization starts at the bank of river. So our Jamshedpur is also, it is in the. This is one of the major source of water which supplies from the JISCO to the people of Jamshedpur. 24 hours they are getting water from this site, because this river is just one blessing point to the Jamshedpur. How lucky we are that we are living in such a great city. Proudly we can say that we are Jamshedpurians, and how blessed I am that I am standing at the bank of this river and shooting this picture. See how closely the water is near to me. Am I not lucky to have this? Two rivers bank where it meets. So this is blessed with rivers. So whole things Jamshedpur makes a Jamshedpur. So I love Jamshedpur, and I think you all will love it very dearly, and you live for it and you die for it. Jai Jamshedpur.